Let's talk about the title for today, or at least one part of the title, and that is Uber stealing tips on reserved trips? What's going on right there?
This is simple, Uber. We're back to shenanigans. Okay. I had a conversation with someone actually today at Uber, and they go like, whoa, I go, listen, this is the reason drivers do not like Uber. The shady shit that you guys pull. And I'm going to keep my composure on this because we had this stealing, shaving, whatever you want to call it, on EVs, on upper platform, dropping down trips, come on, Uber. Why? Why is this so necessary? I mean, we get it. On, a lot of the surge, a lot of the bonuses have become fare replacement. You know how the algo is moving up and down the base fare. We got that part, okay? Which is hopefully that's going to be illegal at some point. But what you do here is so blatant. Whoever's writing the accounting or whatever it is in the algo is either dumb or they think we're dumb. Okay? We're not, obviously, because this driver goes, here's on the left-hand screenshot, that's his reservation that comes in. You got to pick up at 5:55 p.m. You will be paid $37.01 for completing this trip. Okay? Simple, right, Chris? It's good enough. This driver said, I like it. I see the mileage. I see the time, $37 for 48 minutes. Okay, good. The trip ends, right? What's the tip on this, Chris?
1873.
So what's 37 plus 1873, buddy? 55-ish.
A lot more than 49.54.
Yeah. So where'd the tip go?
Oof. Service fee?
I guess. So where did this $6 go, Uber? Where? Why? I mean, this is so blatant. If you're going to steal, make sure you don't get caught. If you're going to commit a crime as a criminal, make sure you don't get caught. This is stupid. And of course, this driver caught it. He sent it to me. And now we're talking about it. Well, I don't want to talk about it because this shouldn't be happening. This I know is illegal. You cannot touch tips. Because I don't see any other way. There is no other thing that the fare should be lowered on this. I don't see it whatsoever. The trip did not go less than expected. It did not go significantly less by miles and minutes. Everything was done properly, except that you figured this guy got $18.73 tip. I'm just going to increase the service fee to the point, and when I add it to the fare, this guy gets haircut at $6. Why? How many times, how many thousands and millions of times is this going to happen? Until I send this to you and you go, oh, bug, we're going to fix it. And then maybe a month or two later, right, everybody gets some adjustment in their account, which happens quite often. That was another hot email topic this week, Chris. People are getting adjustments out of the blue. I knew what it was. You know what it was? On those high surge trips, how Uber's algo takes the surge out and doesn't pay you the surge, and it accuses you of GPS spoofing, right? They paid everybody. Good. People got $100 here, $80 there, $50 there. They go like, what's this money for? I don't know. I'm assuming it's for that. Why do all this? Why is any of this necessary at all? Uber. So, and then next screenshot. And then this driver goes to shithole of shitholes. And remember we watched that video, Chris, that we're not supposed to talk about.
I don't know what you're talking about.
As a diamond driver, if you push enough, you're going to get your $20 out of them, right? Because they're authorized to give you the money, right? And then they gave him his $20 convenience fee after an hour of haggling. See, Uber, you lost in this one too. You should have paid the guy his $6. We're done. This Uber, you lost 14 bucks. All that service fee you ding the guy for. And he obviously caught it and called you and complained and said, he probably said, I'm going to sue you guys or something. And then you guys give him 20 bucks to shut him up. Why?
He's
You lost
probably
14 bucks.
He probably said, I'm going to go to those guys Show Me the Money Club on YouTube.
Probably.
Blow the
And,
story wide
he
open.
did anyway.
And that's why he got the $20 inconvenience fee.
He did anyway. And then, you know, see, everybody like, why? Why all this necessary, right? So if you guys are going through this, please send me the screenshots. Sergio at the RideShareGuy.com. If they're taking your money from your reservation, reserve trips now, taking your tips and rolling it into the fare and increasing the service fee, please send them to me. Please, Sergio at the RideShareGuy.com. There you go.
All right, thanks for watching. That short little clip was from our live stream, Show Me the Money Club with Sergio and myself, Tuesdays, 6 p.m. Eastern, 3 p.m. Pacific. Make sure you subscribe, turn on all notifications so you get notified when we go live, as well as all of our awesome content. Make sure to check out this video right here, which will take you to the entire live stream, or check out this video right there. All right, drive smart, everyone.